Hi, by the way, I'm Coach Noel ng KSYN Fitness Alabang. So, ngayon, magbibigay ako ng mga workout routine para dun sa mga 12 weeks transformation challenger natin. So, ito yung mga challengers natin. Pakilala natin sa isa.
Hello, I'm Marvin.
Hi, I'm James.
So, ayun, start na tayo para bigyan naman na sila ng program for their back workout routine. Okay, so ayun, bago tayo magsimula sa workout routine nila, need muna natin mag-warm up. So, yung warm up natin for today is using this resistance band. So, forward, then backward lang. Okay, good. For 10 times. 1. Lang ulit. And 2. 3. 4. 5. Okay, the next naman natin is unilateral. So, per side naman. Side to side. Yeah, good. Then, balik lang sa harapan. 1. Okay. 2. Stand lang. Yeah. And 5. Then, kabilang side naman. Okay. Good. 1. 2. 4. Okay, tapos yung resistant lang ng band, pull lang natin siya. Hanggang ma-stretch lang yung mga shoulders natin. Okay, so pull lang. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, yun. Okay na tayo. So, proceed na tayo sa workout. So, yung use lang naman nung warm-up is para ma-activate yung mga muscles nila para at least pag nagsimula tayo, hindi magtutunog-tunog yung mga muscle joint, gano'n. Tsaka activated na yung muscle. So, yung first workout natin is etong lat pull-down machine. So, ang gagawin lang natin is eto, may arch siya dyan banda. So, yung thumb natin dito sa bandang arch. So, hawak lang tayo dyan. Tapos, upo lang, then activate lang yung chest out, then pull. Tapos slide, bend over pa backwards, then yung negative motion niya is control lang. Okay. So, etong exercise na to, ang tina-target natin dito is yung back lats natin. Okay. So, kahit 10 reps lang tayo for 3 sets.
Lock in, lights, camera, action. Telly, ESPN, it's a top scene. Lock in, lights, camera, action. I don't fold up.
So, eto. So, sa long pull machine naman tayo. Common mistake lang dito lagi is usually naka-shrug yung shoulder and hindi naka-chest out. So, naka-slouch yung back. So, lagi natin i-activate yung back natin using the chest out form position. Tapos, isa pa, yung pag-pull is hindi siya pataas or sa papuntang chest. So, lagi lang dito sa stomach pag ipupull siya. Then, huwag tayo masyadong magli-lean back. Ang goal lang natin is ma-straight yung body natin. Tapos, ma-target lang yung back ulit natin. So, gano'n lang. Pull lang ulit for 10 repetitions ulit tayo.
When it's time to win. Trolling cause we're rolling under lights, we don't get anxious. Do it with a purpose, we don't do it to be famous. Really, they been hating cause they ain't us. Locking and get dangerous.
Okay naman, ramdam yung muscles sa
Workout today, mas okay talaga pag may may partner ka, may coach ka na tuturo siya, nag-guide sa'yo sa every workout para matama yung form mo and then everything else.
So, for the next exercise is seated row lang tayo. So, make sure lang natin na yung chest natin is nandito sa pad. So, pwede naman natin siya i-adjust pag hindi natin siya nafe-feel or more on sa stomach siya tumatama. So, yung goal dito is bigay nyo yung arm ninyo ng full stretch. Then, pag ipupull, huwag tayong mag-chest out ng malala or mawawala na tayo dito sa pad kasi magko-compensate na yung lower back natin. So, ayan. Kaya din siya may chest support para nandyan lang siya the whole time. Tapos, row lang natin. Okay. Then, yung negative, laging full stretch, then pull. Okay. So yung handle na to is for lats, then ito is for upper back naman. So same execution lang siya. Different muscle lang yung tinatamaan. Pagka magkaibang grip yung ginamit natin sa machine na to. So dito sa machine na to, pwede din tayong magkaroon ng isolation workout, like pagka gusto lang natin i-feel yung single muscle natin, or bagay na bagay siya pagka meron tayong mga muscle imbalancement. So yun lang.
What you get, you see, I'll always be me. What you get, you see, I need no ID, I need nothing, no, something wrong. I like Kim Rose, I need money rolls, flip it go, see you when I'm old. In the
So, pang fourth workout natin is dumbbell bent over row. So dito, para ka lang ding mag-RDL sa position mo. So slight bend forward, tapos leaning forward yung body mo. Tapos make sure mo na hindi ka naka-slouch or nakakuba. So chest out, engage yung core, chest out, then row. Papunta dito sa obliques or sa side nung chan mo. Tapos pull. So every time na ipupull mo siya, make sure mo na nag-chest out ka din. So down, stretch out, then pull. Okay. Okay. So 10 repetitions ulit ng bent over row.
Tesla, still would ride a diesel, I'm not green, no, but the checks was. Now they come in wires, I'm retired off the desk months. I was in the creek, then in the dirt, I lived on both sides. Still was always me, no double life, can't pick the best ones.
Yung last workout natin for the back is rear delt fly. So basically, part pa rin siya ng shoulder, pero kapag sa mga push day natin, hindi siya more on tinatamaan. Kaya usually sinasabay na lang siya sa mga back exercises. So ang gagawin lang naman natin dito is set. So make sure lagi nyong i-adjust yung upuan based sa height ninyo or sa range ninyo dito sa machine. So extend lang yung kamay straight, then pag i-fly nyo na siya, hindi siya dapat straighten yung shoulders natin or yung elbow, dapat hindi siya naka-straight. So slightly bend pa din siya going side. Yan. So yung goal lang natin is makompress yung upper back natin para ma-feel din natin siya sa upper back. And technically, yung tinatamaan din naman niya is yung rear delt talaga natin. So mas sa pull yung rear delt kesa sa upper back.
Through the lowest lows and I still got blessed up. I've been running non-stop, I can't rest up. I'll just keep on working till I'm the best up. I've been trying to do right, but getting left much. Slipped and fell a few times, still got my chest up.
Okay, so yung next naman natin, after ng workout, pinakamahalagang part is yung cool down. Para at least mabawasan yung muscle soreness natin or yung DOMS, yung delayed onset muscle soreness na usually nafe-feel, especially yung mga beginners natin sa gym.
In the gym, I got my chest up. New Tacovas on my toes, now that the check's up. Giddy up! Lock in, lights, camera, action. Telly, SPN, it's a top scene. Lock in, lights, camera, action. I don't fold a band when it's time.
Okay, so yun mga kasayan, tapos na tayo sa back workout for today ng mga challenger natin. So sa mga challenger dyan, sa lahat ng branches ni KSYN Fitness, good luck sa inyo. Last 2 weeks na lang tayo sa 12 weeks transformation challenge ninyo. So yan.